give a warm and proud round of applause for Mr. Jacob Kier Gomez. So hi Jacob, kumusta ka na?
Hi Sasha, I'm good.
So let's have a few questions here. Looking back on your reign, what moment best defined your journey as a Ginoong Kanlahi and why?
Thank you Sasha. Siguro para sa akin yung moment na nag-define sa buong journey ko sa Ginoong Kanlahi is nung na-announce na yung winners nung mismong coronation night. And at that exact moment, doon nag-flashback lahat ng mga late nights, lahat ng mga trainings. And looking back, it's the journey. It's the training itself upon the coronation night, and it's not the destination, but it's the journey talaga.